Please copy down these common definitions connected with algebraic expressions. So in an algebraic expression, a term is a number, a variable, or a product of a number and one or more variables. So if you think about that, that's three different possibilities. So a term could be a number. So a number is like the number 7. Or it could be a variable. A variable is something like the letter X. Or it could be a product of a number and one or more variables. So it could be maybe 7x or 7xy. Try to see if you could come up with some more examples of terms. A constant is a term that has no variables. So remember, a variable is just a letter in the alphabet. A term with no letter, no variable, the only one up here that fits that bill would be 7. So 7 is a constant. Another one would be -6 or 9. Try to see if you can come up with a few more constants. A coefficient is a numerical factor of a term. So if I look at all these ones up here, let's say, to start with, the numerical factor of this term is 7. The numerical factor of this term is 1, because there's actually a 1 that's not written as a coefficient of that x. And both of these terms, the coefficient is 7. So let me see, if I have something like 3xy, then the 3 would be my coefficient for that term, the numerical term, numerical part of that term. Or I might have, let's say, y, right? The coefficient in front of y is a 1 that's not written there. So sometimes it's not always obvious what your coefficient is. And then like terms are terms that have the same variable factors. And those are very similar to the examples we did above. So 7x and 3x would be like terms. Or 2ab and 3ba, right? Even though they're in a different order, AB and BA can be rearranged to be the same term using the commutative property. So these terms will be used quite a bit in class and moving forward in more examples.